What's up, you guys? It's Nico Moreno here, and I am coming at you with a super awesome bot training video today. So what I've got for you today is I wanted to go over a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and something that actually is a really cool workaround for a recent bug that MANYCHAT is running into quite a lot these days. Okay, so what I'm going to show you right now is called the keywords tool. Now this is a super awesome tool, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So what you're going to do is when you're logged into your MANYCHAT account right here, what you're going to do is you're going to hop down to the automations tab right here. So once you go to the automations tab, you're going to click on keywords. And I'm going to show you like kind of how this actually works. But the first step would be to set up your keyword here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to notice that these two are already going to be in here. Okay, so they're going to be start or subscribe or stop or unsubscribe. When someone types in stop or unsubscribe, they're going to be unsubscribed from the bot. And you can also associate different actions with this, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you how to set up a really quick rule right here. So I'm gonna do message is sign me up, and then create keyword. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do create new reply. We could also pull in an existing reply if we wanted. If we already had an existing reply that we want to send to the user as soon as they type that, then we can add that in, we can pull that in automatically, or we can create a new one right here. So let's go ahead and say, awesome first name, you're all set. Click below to sign up today. And then we'll put a button here that says sign up, and then let's do open website. And we'll do Messenger bots for entrepreneurs.com. Cool, so now we just click publish once we're done with this message right here. This is what it's gonna look like. So we've got a preview for what the user's gonna see once they type in that keyword. Then we just click publish, and the content is published. We're all set. So let's go back to the keywords tool right here. Okay, so now we're back here, and now we're back here, and why this is so cool is because now anytime someone types in sign me up to your bot, like anytime they type in that message, the bot is automatically going to reply with the message that we just typed right here. And we can also add in an action right here. So we can subscribe them to a sequence too, for example. So we can like subscribe them to onboarding sequence or whatever sequence that we've already created. We can also add that in right there. We can even add multiple actions too. So if you want to get like really complicated and really fancy, you can add in like a tag, like this person is super cool, all right? So that's how keywords work. It's really simple to set up and really powerful. Now, I'm gonna show you a really cool way to use keywords right now using a feature that is kind of bugging out in MANYCHAT lately, unfortunately. So what's going on with MANYCHAT lately is a lot of you guys might be familiar with the Facebook comments growth tool. So what this looks like is basically, you have a Facebook post right here. I don't know why the image isn't showing up, but you've got a Facebook post that you posted on your Facebook wall. You've got all this ad copy here. It can be an organic post, or you can turn it into an ad as well. But you've got your ad copy here. You've got your image here, and you're telling people what to do. You're telling them to comment below. And then when they comment here on this post, they're going to be added into your bot. Okay, now that's all great. But right now, what's going on, a lot of like my clients and customers, as well as myself, we're running into this issue where the only message that they get is this first message right here. And they're not actually getting added into the sequence afterwards. They're not getting subscribed to the bot afterwards. So this is really weird. MANYCHAT is supposedly working on a fix for this right now. But in the meantime, there's a really cool way to use keywords that one of my clients actually figured out. So that was super cool. So I wanted to pass that along to you guys. So what he figured out and what I'm going to show you how to do right here is setting up a keyword that responds to this initial message right here, so that when people type in, so let's say we've got this message here. So once people comment on our post, they're going to receive this message. Do you want to see how we can personally help you double your webinar this month? Type yes below. Okay, so what should happen with this tool is they should get subscribed to the bot. It's a little bit buggy, so it's not working properly. But we can get around that and still have this tool work in the same way for us by adding a keyword, okay? So what we can do is we can just set this up the same way and just save it right here to make sure that it's saved. And then we can go back into automation. We can do keywords. And then we can create a new rule that says yes, okay? So create keyword. And then what we would do is we would just do whatever we want to have happen right after that action. So let's say we wanted to subscribe them to a flow, subscribe them to a sequence. So we could just do right there. We just do that. Add them in right there, and boom, we're good to go. Okay, so that means that whenever someone types yes as a reply to that post, then instead, even though that tool is not really working right now, what you can do is you can get around it by setting up this keyword right here, and then they still trigger that same action or that same outcome that you wanted originally. So this is a super, super awesome way to use keywords. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of this. If you like this video, please give it a like, give it a love. Share it with someone who you think would find value in this video too. And please share a comment below if you got any questions, any ideas. And if you're watching this right now, if you want to learn more about Messenger bots, and if you want to know how to make more money with your business using Messenger bots, whether you're doing this for clients or whether you've got your own business, then right now, right here, right now, I want to invite you to join the Messenger Bots for Entrepreneurs premium training course. Okay, so this course is open right now. It's currently open. It's only going to be open for a limited amount of time. So I'm going to put the link below to check out the course down below. So make sure you check that out. And what I really want you to do though, is I want you to check out all the testimonials. Because sure, there are other bot courses out there on the marketplace. But number one, you're not going to find a bot course out there today that has even close to the amount of value that's packed inside of my course. Number two, you're not going to find a course out there that has anywhere near the amount of crazy, insane testimonials, life-changing results that people are getting as my course does. Okay, so I urge you to check out the testimonials, see the real stories that people are having success with this course. It's literally changing their businesses and changing their lives, okay? The proof is undeniable. So go check out the testimonials right now. I invite you to check those out. So basically, if you want to get started using Messenger bots for your business, if you want to make a ton more money in your business using the latest Messenger marketing strategies, or you want to start a new business from scratch, a completely new business from scratch, this is the perfect solution for you, okay? So go ahead, go check out the testimonials right now. Seriously, they're life-changing. Go check them out right now, and I invite you to join us inside the course today. All right, thanks so much, guys, and I'll chat with you guys next time.